In this series, we'll be taking a look at technology and its impact on the restaurant industry, the advantages and the disadvantages, and what the future holds for restaurant because of technology. Come with us on this journey. Let's learn together. Okay, so we're about to head out. I'm just, picking up the kids, and we're going to go to do this experiment together, and we're taking you along with us. Today we're going to be trying vending machine pizza for the first time. I can't really say that I'm excited about this. A bit of a mixed feeling. I have someone that had to close a restaurant during the pandemic, and I've personally seen the impact that technology is having on the restaurant industry. However, technology is going nowhere, so we're curious. We're going to try this. A few things that we're going to be looking for. We're going to be looking for flavor. We're going to be looking for temperature and texture. How does this match up compared to just going to a Pizza Hut or Papa John's to get pizza, or comparable to frozen pizza. So this is new to us, so we're not sure what we're up against. So take this journey with us, and I guess we're gonna learn together. Let's do this.
I smell it. It's right down there. I see.
I can't smell it.
Yeah. If you go down because you're not.
I can smell it.
If you go down here, then you can smell it.
Yeah, you can smell it if you stand apart here.
Oh, they even have it in Toronto. They have it people under it. Oh, that's a strong smell.
Oh yeah, now I can smell it from here.
That's what from
Yeah,
here?
now I'm smelling it.
Oh my goodness. We're waiting. It would be even better if they had gluten.
Yeah, have to try.
Dairy. They should have at least dairy free.
Yeah.
I tried to pick it so that what taking so long? Look, this is
Almost here.
very strong. Oh my, yeah, that's because it's
Yeah. Oh, the smell a whiff. I'm surprised I haven't seen anyone at this, and it's 24/7.
Yeah.
You could take and bake it, or you could have it hot. I'd rather just have it hot. It's only like $1 more.
It's coming. I can smell it.
I guess if you just take it, it's probably faster. but then you have to go from the
The more you wait, the stronger the smell.
Oh, it's coming!
Oh! Yeah. Oh, I see it. It's right there. Come here. Come to Dada and Mama. Yes.
Yay!
We got our pizza.
Woo!
Whoa. That wasn't long enough. Whoa! And that's It's only $9.
Oh wow.
This is way better than any pizza place.
So we got the pizza. We're very excited. Kids are excited. Are you excited, Mariah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pizza was very, very hot. So now we're just gonna walk around and show you a bit of where this pizza machine is located. It's like 5 minutes away from home. 5 minutes drive. It's at a train station. When you exit the train, you can just access the machine right there. This train is a train that takes you to downtown Toronto, and it also takes you to the Pearson International Airport, which is the biggest airport in Canada. So we're just going to show you around a little bit where, how they strategically locate this pizza machine right at the train station. Okay guys, so that was it. That was the Pearson Express train. Takes you from downtown Toronto all the way to the Pearson International Airport. You exit the train, and then you just grab your pizza and go. That's it. Technology at its best. So we're going home now to try the pizza, and we'll give you our feedback, like if it's good, if it tastes like frozen freezer pizza, or it tastes like the real deal. So we'll catch you at home. Okay guys, so we're here in our studio and we are about to try the pizza. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's do this. So as you saw, this is what it looks like. It didn't come sliced or anything. It just came out extremely hot in the box. There was like two options. There was an option where you could take it frozen, and you could take it home and bake it yourself. But who wants to do that, right? It's only $1 difference. So we decided to just get it done right there. So let's do this. Mariah's gonna go first. Mariah is our pizza specialist.
And Jaden's our fries specialist.
Okay, Mariah, so you want to try? And yep, you're the first one to try. It's okay?
Mm-hmm. It's okay.
All right, eat some more. Give me your feedback.
Well, it's okay. Except that you could there's a lot of cheese. You could it's kind of like you only taste the cheese.
Oh, there's too much cheese?
Yeah.
Is there such thing as too much cheese on a cheese pizza? I thought that would be like a good thing. Okay, so all right, let me try. Okay, so yeah, now I see what you're saying. It's a lot of cheese. I'm sure because it's new, I'm sure eventually they're going to cut back on the cheese and make it cheaper. Well, yeah, surprisingly,
It's okay.
it's good. It's, as I suspected, it would not be as good as a store-bought pizza, like a Pizza Hut or Papa John's pizza. But I think it's right there I think it's a little bit better than, you know, when we purchase like frozen pizza
Yeah.
and do it ourselves. It's a little bit better than that. So yeah. So overall, I'll give it a thumbs up. I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. That's what I give it.
I say
7 too? Okay, so overall 7 is not bad for, you know, because, you know, growing up the only thing that we got from vending machine was like sweets and like candies and stuff like that. So the fact that you can get like pizzas and sandwiches from a vending machine, like that's kind of impressive. So yeah, it's not bad. Okay, so time for feedback. So we decided that 7, right?
Yeah.
7 out of 10. You know, I would say in terms of the temperature, like it's impressive. Like it was extremely hot. You know, when we took it out of the machine, it was extremely hot. You know, you could actually see what was going on the screen. The packaging is good. It wasn't sliced, which I'll probably deduct a couple of points for that, because you feel like if they're gonna go all the way and cook it, there should be something to slice it up there. So I deduct like a points for that. I think the most, what I'm most disappointed about is the price, because the fact that, you know, it's a vending machine, and normally, you know, when they're selling the idea of vending machine is that, okay, we're going to save money on not having a lot of labor costs, so we're going to make sure that this pizza is cheaper and or these products are cheaper. The fact that it was $9.99 plus tax, it came up to like $11. If I walk into Domino's right now, I could probably get a cheese pizza the same size for like the same or even less. Like when they have special, like especially like a pepperoni pizza, you can definitely walk in Domino's and get like a large pepperoni pizza for like $8.99 or $7.99. So I would say like I'm a bit disappointed with the price. It's a bit more expensive than, you know, for vending machine stuff, but I guess I understand the convenience. Like you're coming off the train, you don't want to call and order, you don't want to pay for delivery, so whatever, it's okay. But the quality, 7 out of 10, not bad. Have you guys ever tried vending machine pizza? You know, leave it in the comment section. You know, tell us your experience, share your experience with us, and if you would like to see us try anything else from vending machine, whether it's like sandwiches, ice cream, or any other thing like that, you can just let us know in the comment section. Peace out.